Display all components slated for installation. Remove the pre-installed screws. Install the rack. Connect the patches to the main machine. Position all the EMS patches onto the rack. Connect the power cord and turn on the instrument. EMS patch. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 20 minutes. Speed setting, S. Recommended mode, F1. Note, turn the knob clockwise to initiate the operation and elevate the energy level. Rotate it counterclockwise to reduce the energy level and halt the operation. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cord.